Welcome to Mike Likes Bikes. I'm Mike. I've been thinking about what I would like to do for this channel as far as content. The first type of video I'm planning to do is short rides around town with my commentary, pointing out all the road and traffic hazards that plague motorcycle riders. The idea being that a new rider can watch one of my videos and, from my perspective, get an idea of the thought process that is necessary for riding safely. The second type of video I'm planning to make is longer trips to further and further destinations and document those rides while giving my thoughts and tips to anyone looking to do longer rides and road trips. If you have any ideas for destinations or landmarks, starting with eastern North Carolina, that you would like to see me ride to, let me know in the comment section. If there's a certain skill or practice that you'd like me to explain and demonstrate, just let me know again in the comments and I'll do my best to make a video featuring your suggestions. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me ramble. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike, this is Mike Likes Bikes, and I'll see you next time.